Hello everyone, this is Simran Singh from Housey and today I'm going to be taking you to one of the most talked about township of Thane by Kalpatru, named as Kalpatru Park City, located at Kolshet Road. As you can see, I'm standing at the actual location. Right behind me is the actual tower. If you're looking for a perfect mix of modern living plus open spaces and good connectivity, this township may catch your attention. As you can see, I'm standing at the main gate. Now check out the main road and the neighborhood of this township. This road right there takes you to Eastern Express Highway. So stay with me now to explore everything in detail, from location to connectivity to carpet area, pricing, possession and everything, to see if this particular township is worth your hard-earned money or not. But before moving ahead, let me give you an introduction of Housey. So Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects home buyers directly with developers, thereby giving you bottom rate pricing. Unlike other current listing platforms where if you inquire once, your number is shared with multiple brokers, which may lead to many calls. But now, you don't need to worry anymore because Housey is here where we connect you directly with builders. So buy a dream home directly with builders only on Housey. Talking about connectivity of this project is located on Kolshet Road, Thane West, with Ring Road Metro Station at a distance of just 5 minutes, Thane Railway Station at a distance of just 15 minutes, Eastern Express Highway at a distance of just 5 minutes. This entire project is spread across a land parcel of 108 acres. Now let's talk about one of the most important part about this township, that is its cluster. Kalpatru Park City is not just a single project, but it has a lot of integrated clusters within it. The 5 important clusters are going to be Sunrise, Estella, Primera, Immensa and Eternia. Talking about Sunrise, this cluster is made on a land parcel of 5 acres with 5 towers, with ground plus 32 floors, with configuration of 2 and 3 BHK. So right now I'm standing right in front of the actual tower. Right behind me is Sunrise. Have a look at it. So this project was delivered in 2019 and it's completely sold out. Talking about Immensa, this cluster is made on a land parcel of 8 acres with 8 towers, ground plus 42 floors, with configuration of 1, 2, 3 and 4 BHK, where 1, 2, 3 BHK is already sold out. As you can see, I'm standing at the actual location. Right behind me is the Immensa tower. The pricing for 4 BHK is going to be 5.14 CR with carpet area of 1753 square feet. The tower has been OC received with possession of August 2026. Talking about Eternia, project is made on a land parcel of 10 acres with 10 towers, ground plus 47 floors, with configuration of 1, 2, 3 BHK and duplex. As you can see, I'm standing right in front of the tower Eternia. Right behind me is the actual tower. Have a look at it. Talking about the carpet area, so the carpet area for 1 BHK is going to be 468 square feet. The carpet area for 2 BHK is going to be 538 to 790 square feet. And 3 BHK is going to be 920 square feet to 1561 square feet. Talking about the pricing, so the pricing for 1 BHK is going to be 1.15 CR and 2 BHK is going to be 1.28 CR to 1.85 CR and 3 BHK is going to be 2.35 CR to 3.90 CR. Talking about the possession, so we have different possession timelines for different towers, starting from August 2026 for nearest possession and December 2029 for the latest one. Talking about Primera, this cluster is made in a land parcel of 2.5 acres with 2 towers, ground plus 40 story, within configuration of 2 BHK. As you can see, I'm standing in front of the actual tower of Primera. Have a look at it. Right behind me is the actual tower with the facing of directly Central Park. So this tower has only 2 BHK with carpet area of 473 square feet and 695 square feet. Talking about the pricing, so the pricing is going to be 1.18 CR and 1.71 CR. Talking about the RERA position, so for this tower it's going to be December 2028. Talking about Estella, this cluster is made on a land parcel of 12.8 acres with 8 towers, ground plus 44 floors, with configuration of 2, 3 and 4 BHK. So right now I'm standing at the actual tower of Estella. Right behind me is the actual land parcel. Have a look at it. Talking about the carpet area, so the carpet area for 2 BHK is going to be ranging from 784 to 796 square feet. and 3 BHK is going to be ranging from 999 square feet to 1147 square feet, and 4 BHK is going to be ranging from 1700 square feet to 1900 square feet. Talking about the pricing, so the pricing for 2 BHK is going to be ranging from 1.80 CR to 1.88 CR. The pricing for 3 BHK is going to be ranging from 2.58 CR to 2.78 CR, and 4 BHK is going to be 4.70 CR. The RERA for this particular project is going to be December 2031. Talking about amenities, this particular township has 400 plus world-class amenities including swimming pool, gymnasium, kids play area, meeting room, multi-purpose court, pickleball court and many more. Talking about booking process, our booking process is now open. Clients are requested to come and visit the site where our sales team will help you with the exact project details. We'll also show you the actual flat and the sample flat. We'll help you with the payment and EMI scheme, and then if clients like the project, they can move ahead with the token amount. The token amount for this project is going to be 10% of the agreement value. So everyone, these were the details of the most talked about township in Thane West, Kalpataru Park City. To get more information about this project, do download the e-brochure given below, and to know more about such amazing properties, do check the icon button. Also do like, share and subscribe to Housey.
If you have any queries related to the project like pricing, exclusive pre-launch discounts, EOI process, brochure, or you want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients from UAE, US, Singapore, UK and other countries can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such new launch teaser videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.